challenged. Okay. Good morning. So today is another super fun day that we have planned. Kendall, Emily, and I are gonna go to the beach, and Kendall should be here any minute to pick me up. So thought I would make a little vlog montage of today and just have a fun time. So let's do it.
I would have been belting something and then you're just gonna be like ding 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 da 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 da. On a summer evening. You're about to change it. Oh, I won't. She's like, yeah, it does.
It's all going on.
Hi guys. Wow. Let me
Okay, we just finished boogie boarding and little battle scar.
Yeah. That's small enough for you?
You just bopped with your grade.
Good little tat-tat.
We made it back to the car. Bless you. Bless you. Hi.
Just had to let it out.
So.
Don't put it on me.
Okay, okay.
Don't put it into my.
Okay.
We're getting sand out of our boobs and butts. That's all.
I need to reapply sunscreen. Not burn anywhere else.
It's a dog.
I really like this hat. It's really cute.
It is.
Okay.
Did
You ready?
everyone get the sand off their feet?
Oh, Emily is naked in the car. I'm filming me. Oh my. Okay. Goodbye. We're closing this. Turning off. All right. We are going to get acai bowls for lunch. Oh, look how pretty. Acai bowls.
That papaya looks sexy.
Yeah. It's colder than my bag.
Alrighty.
Capitola. Got your acai bowl. Got the speaker, water. Kendall's running back to the car to get the third spoon. Okay, you want my bananas?
Hell yeah.
Okay. Take them. Oh, yeah.
Yummy. I don't know if I tell you all enough, but you guys are great friends.
So, we're shopping now. We're gonna go in this little shop with this mermaid. These are so cute. We found this wall. Jinx! The wall. I survived.
Half the vlog is just
So we are
Getting food.
Yes, we're at this restaurant, and the outdoor seating was like 40 minutes. So
We're risking it inside.
Yes, and we're gonna get French fries and
Calamari and fries.
the awful dessert. Food in 3, 2, 1. Great, I'm still trying.
Doing nothing.
You want me to be in the middle doing nothing? So we go.
So,
Whoa. Clap.
Na 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 na. Dear, 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 dear.
Okay. Why is it peppers?
Because I like peppers. We should keep that and then just keep going.
We love you. That's the end.
It's like 6 o'clock right now, so we're gonna
Head home.
go home.
Eat dinner. You know.
Sleep.
Yes.
Shower.
I'm so tired
There's
from the
sand
sun.
everywhere.
Oh, yes. I need to take a shower. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and
We'll see you next time.
Yep.
In our next vlog.
in our next adventure. Bye.